Today we are learning how to automate calculation of selling rate and tax value if you are selling inclusive of tax. With voucher class we can do this task, and one more important information is that this tutorial is intended for users up to version 4.93, and from release 5 onwards there is an easy option without voucher class. We will learn in the next session. Before switch over to Tally, let's learn how to segregate sales value and tax value. Let's consider this example, the first example. A product is computer and total sale value is 27,000, which inclusive of 4% tax. So let's find out value without tax. To find out, this is the calculation. Total amount into 100 divided by 104. If you are selling it for 12.5% tax, then this should be 112.5 instead of 104. So the calculation has been already done, and the value without tax is 25,961.53, and VAT amount is equal to total sale value minus value without tax. That is the tax amount included in this 27,000, and this formula is applicable for particular transactions only, and we want to applicable this to all 4% VAT transaction. Let's check how to do this. To do this, we want to know the percentage of factors included in this 4% sale, that is percentage of value without tax amount and percentage of VAT amount. What is the percentage of this 25,961 and what is the percentage of 1038 in this total sale value? So to find out, first you have to assume that the total selling price is 100, that is 27,000 equal to 100, and percentage of value without tax equal to 100 into 100 divided by 104. So 96.15 is the percentage of value without tax amount, and 100 minus 96.15 is equal to the percentage of VAT amount in total selling price. So we have find out the factors included in 4% sale. Now let's move on to Tally and check how to do this. We have already learned how to create voucher class in our previous sessions. This session is exclusively for automating calculation of selling rate and tax value. Accounts info, voucher type. Let's create a new voucher type, sales 4%, for selling 4% tax commodity only. Type of voucher is sales, automatic, press enter, and bring the cursor here, name of class, and you can create a class and name it class 4. Exclude these groups, bank account, bank CC account. Choose whatever you don't want in voucher entry. Sundry creditors is not required while entering sale transaction, and what all groups required for entering sale transaction is cash in hand is required, branch and division is required, and most important, sundry debtors is required. Now let's choose the sales ledger, sales 4% ledger. We are automating allocation, and sales class is equal to sales 4%, and you have to give this percentages here. That is, out of 27,000, 25,961 goes to this sales account. So you have to enter this figure here, 96.15% here, and rounding if required you can choose rounding limit, we can set 1, and output VAT, and 3.85 is the percentage of tax that we have already find out here. This came automatically here because total is 100 and 96.15 already entered here. That is why balance amount came here. Now default accounting allocation not applicable. Press enter and save. Now let's enter a sales transaction to check how this works. Gateway of Tally, accounting vouchers, and press F8. This is the newly created voucher type. Select it, and class equal to class 4. That is what we have created right now. Press enter, enter a party name, and commodity is computer, and one number 27,000. Press enter and save. And now let's check the ledger, how the transaction is allocated. From the gateway of Tally, display, account book, ledger. We have chosen sales 4% ledger. Let's check whether this amount is allocated, and 25,961 is allocated to this ledger. The amount is accurate. And now what about the VAT, output VAT ledger? 1039 is posted in this ledger also. So this is how we automate calculation of selling rate and tax value using voucher class. Hope you understood, and thanks for watching.